Alright guys, I'm going to run this for Bobblehead Jake, Minor League Ryan Braun Bobblehead, 8:03 p.m., May 6th. We're going to go live. We are live. 8:03 p.m., May 6th. 8:03 p.m. We are going to grab the list of 15 spots. Drop it into random. We have 15 entries. Bill Carroll on the bottom. Jim on top. I'm going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 12. We're going 12 times. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11 times. Dice shows a 12. Next click wins. Good luck. And 12. Congrats to Jim. Spot number 2. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jake and collect your bobblehead. We are done. 8:04 p.m. Go back. We'll type done. We are done. 8:04 p.m. 8:04 p.m. Here is the timestamp and the verification.